This video continues on from the creation of the new app that we completed in the previous video. If you recall, we generated our new app design without any changes to a folder on our C drive with a root namespace of app name. The generation of the app design completed successfully, and now we're able to go in to our Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, we're going to open a new project or solution. In this case, on the C drive, we'll path to the folder temp, app name, and we'll find my app that we've just created. There are two folders, a repository access folder and a web folder. In the web folder, there's a Visual Studio solution file. This is identified with the extension SLN. If I double click that, it will now open my entire Visual Studio solution, which includes two projects, my repository access and my web. I'm not going to do anything to the code that I've brought in or opened, except rebuild it, and I will get an output showing that I have successfully rebuilt two projects. I can now click my Run button in Visual Studio, which will open up my browser and run the app that I've just created. Obviously, this app only has the default settings in it, so I can put whatever login name and password I want in because it's not accessing my database. It now takes me through to two menu options, each with a dummy page, saying this is page series 2 or this is page series 1. If we go back in to our Evoke design, we can see that these are the two dummy menu options that were created for us, linking to two pages such as page series 1. And on this page, you can see the legend page series 1. Don't forget, within Evoke, everything that you do is covered by the user guide. And wherever you are in Evoke, such as the page designer in this case, if you click the question mark, it will take you to a help area relevant to the area that you're in.